Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 14 of learning how to read the Quran. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be applying all the 13 rules that we've learned today, or lessons, into Surah Al-Fatiha. So, here goes then. Have a go yourselves. I'm breaking it down here word by word and try and work out the pronunciation of each of the words in the Arabic. So, Bismi, and then Allahi, then Ar-Rahmani. Remember, the Shadda represents two letters. Ar-Rahimi. So, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Have a go at that. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, next. Again, break down the words. So, you can write them down as well, if you like. So, Al-Hamdu. Lillahi Rabbi Al-Alamina and Ar-Rahmani. Okay, so Alhamdu Lillahi Rabbil Alamina Ar-Rahmani. Okay, next line. We've done this before, so Ar-Rahimi. Maliki Yawmid Ad-Dini. Iyyaka na'budu. Ar-Rahimi Maliki Yawmiddini Iyyaka na'budu. Next line. Wa iyyaka nasta'inu. اهدنا الصراط وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيمة صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. المستقيمة صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. And the last line. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. So, غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Excellent, brilliant. Now this rule here we're going to be covering inshallah in the next lesson. This is called the mad rule, stretching rule. Just like I stretched the word, if you noticed. Right, let's read this again then. So, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Alhamdulillah. Right, so there's a few things you're probably asking questions about. One was the last rule I mentioned, and one was the joining of certain words. And hopefully, inshallah, we'll be doing that in the upcoming lessons. Jazakumullah khair. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.